doesn't it?
Oh yeah, Justin had little sand boobs. Are you trying to bury yourself again?
Yeah.
Hey Trevor!
No, not on his face. You okay? You need up?
You need to wash your...
Yeah.
Oh no, someone put sand on Trevor and Alex's face.
Yeah, she kept on dropping it on his face.
Wow.
Here, turn the video off.